Hello students, last class we studied about some synthetic fibers, that is rayon and nylon. Today here I am to explain you about another synthetic fiber, it is polyester. Okay, you all know about polyester, isn't it? See, in this polyester the monomer units we use to prepare this polyester is ester molecules. Okay, ester is a monomer unit present in this polyester. Polyester is a very good synthetic fiber. Okay, polyester is commonly used for making dressing material. Okay, it is very common dressing material. It is easily available in the market. Terylene is very good clothing material of polyester. Okay, terylene is one of the type of polyester. It is very good clothing material of polyester. Okay, next is uses of polyester. What are the uses of this polyester? See, this polyester is commonly used to make bottles. That bottles are called pet bottles. Okay, that pet bottles is made up of this polyester, and other utensils, kitchen utensils were made up of this polyesters, and wires and films, thin films were made up of this polyesters. See, this polyester dress materials are very cheap in market, and it is easily available as I told you earlier. And these dress materials are wrinkle free and easy to maintain. What is meant by wrinkle free? See, it won't get wrinkles very easily. It won't get foldings very easily. It is wrinkle free, and you need not to give iron very oftenly. Whereas in case of cotton cloths, you need to do iron every time. So in this polyesters, you need not to do iron every time because they are wrinkle free. Okay, next is acrylics. Acrylics is also one of the type of synthetic fibers. Okay, what is the speciality of this acrylics? See, these acrylics are the synthetic fibers. They appear like wool. Okay, see, I have given you some pictures here. You can see these pictures. They are all acrylic material, acrylic synthetic fibers. See, that seems like wool, but that is not wool. Okay, this acrylic synthetic fibers are look like wool, but they are not wool. Okay, it is used to make, what are the uses of this acrylics? See, this acrylic material synthetic fiber is used to make sweaters, shawls, as you can see in this picture. Why we are going for acrylic usage instead of wool? Because this natural wool is very costlier than acrylics, so we'll oftenly use this acrylic instead of wool. Commonly we use this acrylic in our houses, like acrylic bed sheets, acrylic sweaters, acrylic carpets. Okay, these are all used commonly in our houses. Why? Because wool is very costly. Natural wool is very costly, and all the people cannot afford that. Okay, that is why these acrylics are used widely. Okay, and it was available in variety of colors. Then it is durable. Let's see some advantages of synthetic fiber. What are the advantages of synthetic fiber? Here I have listed some advantages of synthetic fiber. Let's see that. See, synthetic fibers are cheaper than natural fibers. See, if we go for market, first thing we check is price, isn't it? Many people, many middle class people and all class of people will first check for price. Okay, see, this synthetic fibers are cheaper than natural fibers, and this synthetic fibers will obtain in many colors and many varieties. That is why this synthetic fiber is so famous than natural fibers. The synthetic fibers are easy to maintain. Okay, it is easy to maintain. That means you need not to give dry clean every time, or you need not to put iron every time. See, these are easy to maintain, and this synthetic fibers are durable. Okay, this synthetic fibers are long lasting, and they are durable. Okay, and we need not, for to prepare the synthetic fibers, we need not to depend on animal or plant resource. So we can reduce the dependency of dependency on animals or plants to prepare the fibers. Okay, these are the advantages of synthetic fibers. Let's see some disadvantages now. What are the see, if anything is having advantages, same way that should be have some disadvantages too. Okay, let's see what are that disadvantages now. See, disadvantages of synthetic fibers are, see, the synthetic fibers are not good for environment. Why? Because it will cause pollution. These are non biodegradable, that is why these are not good for environment. Okay. Yes, second disadvantage is very important and it is very dangerous too. When the synthetic fibers catch fire, okay, it will melt on the surface or skin of the person who is wearing that. Okay, see, if that synthetic fiber melt on the skin, means it will cause even damages or even wounds for that person who is wearing it. Okay, whereas in case of natural fibers, when the natural fibers catch fire, it will become ashes. That is why people used to say, when we are working with the fire or in the kitchen, we used to wear cotton clothes instead of synthetic clothes, because cotton clothes are safer than synthetic clothes in kitchen.